back to Kids Cooking Adventure, and today we're going to be making these delicious rock cakes. Let's get to the ingredients. You will need 225 grams of self-raising flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 125 grams of unsalted butter cut into cubes, 75 grams of caster sugar, 1 tablespoon of milk, 1 egg, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and 150 grams of sultanas. Let's get started. Mix the flour, the baking powder, and the sugar. So mix it up very well so all the three ingredients are mixed in and you cannot see the separate bits. Now that that's done, you need to rub in the butter cubes a few at a time. Use your hands. So rub it all in until the mixture looks like breadcrumbs, which I think it does. Yes, so now what we need to do, we need to mix in the sultanas. Do it with your hands because they're already dirty. Right, so now that this is all mixed in, you need to turn the oven on to 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Once you've done that, you have to get a clear bowl. Beat in the eggs, and the milk. Whisk those up. Once this is all whisked, add in 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence. And mix that in as well. So the mixture's ready. Now we add the mixture to the main thing and mix that around with a spoon. If the dough doesn't stick together, add a little bit more milk. But if you don't have to, try not to add it. So as you can see, it's very thick and lumpy. Just make sure to get all the bits around the side and at the bottom. So now that it's all mixed together, let's get a baking tray with non-stick baking paper and place golf ball sized blobs onto the tray. Don't forget to leave space in between them because they shall flatten and double in size. Alright, so here's the last one. We've still got a little bit left, so we're probably going to have to do a second batch. These are ready to go into the oven. Bake them for 15 to 20 minutes. So they've been in the oven for about 5 minutes now. Got 10 minutes left, and they've already expanded loads. You can see our second batch at the bottom there. We've got 10 minutes to go. So the first batch is out of the oven. They look really nice. Leave them 2 minutes to cool, and then transfer them to the wire rack. Make sure to ask your parents for help because the oven is very, very hot. So they've cooled down. Let's see how they taste. Absolutely delicious. Look, it's got fluffy and crumbly texture. That is what exactly you want. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Press the logo right here. See you next time. Bye.